Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about Boston Whaler's 2018 60th anniversary edition of the 21 Montauk. Let's start with the profile of the boat. As you can see, we've got the jade green coloring, which is beautiful. You've got the also with the insert on the rub rail, highlights it very, very nicely. You've got the handrails, the low profile on the bottom, on the rear of the boat, and then you've got the high railings for the bow of the boat. You've got the T-top, rocket launches up there. And as we move around towards the back of the boat, we've got the Mercury 4-stroke supercharged 200 Pro. A ton of horsepower for this motor. Up on a plane in a couple of seconds, and it's got a really good high top end on it, and it handles, especially with the new design on it, handles great. So let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 21 Montauk. Let's start at the back of the boat. As you can see, we've got two seats in the back here. They are, you can lift up the cushion, and it's all non-skid. So if you are fishing, all non-skid all the way around the back. And batteries are stored under both seats here as well, with the battery switch on the starboard side. Rod holders, the low profile handrail. And then here, we've got the helm seat. So if you are fishing, you can sit facing backwards comfortably like this. Live well, very large live well right in there. So great location for this. Easily accessible from fishing out of the back of the boat. Rod holders on both sides. And then when you're driving the boat, you just come around, flip it back this way. Now you're comfortable facing this way. So we've got a lot of area up here. It does not come with electronics, but you've got a ton of area up here where you can put whatever you want. You can put 1 unit, 2 units, your fusion stereo, your digital throttle, trim tabs, your gauges, your SmartCraft up here, which gives you your temperatures and pressures, and everything you're going to want to need to know is right here in front of you. And then as we move down to the mid cabin here, mid area, you've got a large area. You can use it for storage. You can put a porta potty down there if you want one. Got plenty of room down there. And as we move towards the bow, we do have cushions up here, and the cushions are here if you're just going to go out for a ride. If you are going to fish, these come up. It's all non-skid underneath, and you've got an anchor locker underneath to keep your anchor and your rope and your chain and everything all down here. Still plenty of room with all non-skid up here for safe standing. And then we've got a double seat here with rod holders, and it also doubles as a cushion as well, and as a cooler as well. So it's set up really nicely. It runs great. It gets you into the shallow water, also takes you out in the Gulf very safely. It's just a great all-around boat. So if you have any questions, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.